Hi, I'm Glenn Curvis. I'm the Capital Works Engineer in the Asset Planning Group. So my project is the Heyfield Coongulla project. It's one of the Gippsland Water top 10 projects that's been put together for construction this year. So the Coongulla and Glenmaggie system suffers from instability of treatable water, and our project was to supply water from a different location. In this case it was Heyfield, which is about 12 kilometres away. The benefit of the project is it will maintain supply. In the past, where we haven't been able to treat water, we've had to transport water in. This will ensure that this doesn't happen again. It reduces the impact on the community and ensures that the water supply is always there. So the project is expected to start in 21-22 and a completion in 2022-23.